How to log in Victoria's Secret credit card? For this, simply open your default web browser. I am using Safari for this particular tutorial. Then, in the search bar, search for Victoria's Secret credit card login. From the results list, tap on the one that says Victoria's Secret credit card website. Here, you'll arrive in the main home page. In the top right hand side of the screen, you'll notice a small sign in button. Tap on it to sign in. Here, a sign-in form opens up as shown in the screen. In the email field, enter your email for the account and fill your password in the password section. You can also tap on Forgot Password in order to get your account back, and finally tap on Secure Sign In. Also, there is Create an Account button which you can press to begin your account creation process. And finally, you'll be logged in to the official Victoria's Secret credit card website. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.